So this is Euro dollar analysis for Thursday, the 23rd of August. Now, let's just have a look on prices, where prices may likely go. So from previously finding support in around 1554 after pulling back from 1578. We've seen the move through 1578. We've gone on to test the 1612. We did trade slightly above the 1612. Had a pullback, had another retest of that 1612, and again we've encountered resistance in around that 1612. From there we've seen a bit of a pullback, breaking beyond the 1578 and currently being around this 1554. So we'll see if this 1554 does hold for support for a move back up towards our 1578. Successful break from which we're looking for a move up towards our 1612. And if we do see price momentum bring us beyond the 1612, we'll be then looking for prices to head up towards that 1660. Successful break from which we're then looking for prices to head up towards that 1710. Now, we've already had a pretty strong move here from the beginning of the week. So if we do see a bit of profit taking, we do see a bit of a counter trend move here to the downside. And we do fail to hold this 1554, looking for a move back down towards this 115. Previously area we found support, failure to hold support here around 115. Possibly sees us head back down towards the 1429 if there's an increase in volatility in this market. Also around the 1429 we do have the 200 period moving average. It does increase, like we've seen a bullish bounce at that level. And finally we'll have a look here at the daily chart to see how prices are developing. So on this daily chart, we can see here we've had prices in a bit of a consolidation after having this trend here to the downside pullback. Went to this consolidation. We did see a breakdown. We did see acceleration near the end of the trend, all the way down towards this 113, from which we've had a pretty strong, consistent reaction here to the upside. Had us trade all the way above the 1612 and come pretty close within a whisker of that 400 period moving average on the daily chart, which previously acted as resistance. No, I previously acted as a support. More recently, if we did have a true test, we were looking for that to act as a resistance. Like we were saying, we've had a couple of days of pretty strong bullish price action. Prices closing near their highs. We did see prices pull back a little bit yesterday into the close. And we are seeing a bit more follow through now on the euro against the dollar. So if we do see there is a possibility of having a deeper retracement down towards 115 and still be within a bit of a flag pattern. If we do see a break from there, we're looking for a continued recovery here to the upside. Failure to hold at 115, possibly looking for moves downwards from a daily chart perspective down towards 1429, and that's 113 on the euro dollar. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the euro dollar analysis. Thanks for watching.